Welcome back to my channel. I'm Alicia Sky. If you're new here, I'm a singer-songwriter from LA. I've been wanting to make this video for a long time. Dream boards are based on the principle of the law of attraction, where you visualize something and then you work hard and then you get it. It's not just like some magic where you like put something up on a wall and you have it. It doesn't work like that. You actually have to work towards it. I'm a very visual person, so I need that constant reminder of what I'm going after, because like sometimes in the day-to-day, like we get a little lost and we just need to stay focused on what our vision is. So when you're making your vision board, just ask yourself, what do you want? What do you want for your life? What are your goals and passions? What do you love? Just really think about what you want to achieve, and if it seems crazy, that's okay. Just put it on your board anyway, and you know, reach for the stars. Even if you miss, you'll still land on the moon. I don't think that's how that quote goes. Reach for the moon. Reach for the moon. Even if you miss, you'll still land among the stars. Is that how it goes? Something like that. So just keep reaching high, and even if you don't hit that exact goal, you'll still get close, which is better than where you started. Here's some behind the scenes of me and Brad shopping for our dream board supplies. On to Joanne Fabrics, the happiest place for creators like us.
Are you ready?
Look how hard you slay.
Are you ready for it?
Yeah. Going in to slay our dream boards.
This is gonna be the best board ever.
I'm so excited.
Let's get cray.
Let's get cray.
Ative.
Get all the flowers. Ooh, I want to make a flower wall. A magical fairy garden. I keep getting so distracted. I want this. I really want a puppy and a kitty so I can pet it like this. So
this is my
that's
spirit.
Exactly what you were just saying.
Yeah, that's what I want
Gothic,
for my vision board.
Chic, black and silver. All right, so I found my poster board. Now I just want to find some marble sticky paper. I don't have the marble granite tape that I'm looking for, so I think I'm just gonna go with this silver glittery color. So pretty. Matches my nails. Or I can do this. Ooh, this is hard. This one or this one, and then probably cover the whole thing like that. Ooh, it's unicorn glitter. We just printed out all of our pictures.
Like an hour and a half later.
You just plug in your iPhone and just print them. So to make this board, you're gonna need all of the following supplies: scissors, your paper poster board, tape, and your images. I picked out this really pretty unicorn glittery paper because I can't just have like basic white, it'd be too boring. It's always good to put a quote up that you really like. I'm gonna do this one because I really think that I can do it. I am not gonna be a slave to someone else's corporation. I believe in being an entrepreneur, following your dreams and building your own brand. So that is like the statement of my life. I don't go out and party anymore. I don't like to waste time. I'll go out with my friends like once a week, but I'm always working or I'm in the studio and I'm building my dreams. I mean, it's like fun to go out and celebrate when you have something to celebrate, but like if you're just going out on the weekends just to like party your life away for no actual reason, I think that's just pointless. I don't got time for that. My goal for this year is to monetize myself through my music and my social media, through licensing to film and TV, commercials, and monetizing my Instagram through brand collaborations. So what's up, Mr. Franklin? Show me the dough. I'm gonna be changing this to 100,000. I'm gonna be releasing my album this year, so I would love a gold record. That would be my dream. I'm pretty sure that I need a label deal to get a gold record like this, so that's my goal for this year, is to get signed to a major label, and I'm gonna do whatever it takes to make it happen. I would love to tour the world. I only want to travel when I'm actually performing and touring, so this has been my goal for years, and I want to manifest a tour manager into my life. I've been driving a Kia now, and it barely accelerates on the freeway, so I just want to upgrade my car situation and get something with a little bit more power. This is what my dream house would look like. It is beautiful. I love the style. I really want to get out of apartment living and buy a home sometime in the next couple of years, and I really want to live in the Hollywood Hills or Beverly Hills or Pacific Palisades. And here's an interior that I love with a view of the city and the sunset. I love that. Beautiful Sunset Plaza living, something like that. Be a boss, date a boss, and build an empire, because I'm all about dating people who inspire me to be a better person and to stay focused. Something else that I really, really, really want is a puppy. I want a puppy so bad, like a little white, furry, cute baby like this. It's so cute. It just fits into a shoe. I also really want a kitty because Look at this face. And I love these cats because they're hypoallergenic. I aspire to be a crazy cat lady someday. Just kidding. I mean, maybe. Dream body because no explanation necessary. It's a good reminder to just keep hitting the gym and keep working out. And that's pretty much it. I finally just finished my board. It's still a little bit of daylight. So here we go. Are you ready? Cue vision board reveal. Here it is. Isn't she pretty? I love how this came out. It took me like an hour to like put all the tape on there, and I realized shortly after putting down this tape that glitter tape doesn't stick to other glittery surfaces. So then I luckily had some of these little thumbtacks that were really cute. Here you see I changed it to 100,287. I updated this number. You get the idea. Let's make our dreams a reality. I almost forgot. The name of my album is Moonlighting. So Starving Artist to Fabulous is the theme with my YouTube channel. Like the common message is gonna be, you can be a starving artist, but you can also be fabulous. Just remember that all of your dreams are possible if you work hard enough. It's not just about dreaming, it's about actually putting in the work. So just get out there and make your dreams a reality and make your vision board. And feel free to take a picture and send it to me, send it to my Instagram. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. I really appreciate you coming to my channel and supporting my music and all of my other content. If you have any ideas for videos that you want to see, leave me some comments. I always read everything. Stay tuned for my album that's coming out soon. I have more music videos coming out that I'm working on, and I'm always recording new songs, so I'd love to share that with you. So I love you guys, and mwah, have a great day and slay. I don't know why I do that. I guess it's my thing.